Ye long hiu anh tụ quang mấy bùa. Với chủ in hoi, ye chào mấy bùa oi gong wa tao, cả ha lại wo kinh. Today is the important last lesson in the automaticity script. The script that gives you basically everything you need to have a simple conversation to get to this question that you're going to learn in lesson number 19, which is actually the same as lesson number 1 if you go back to there. And that question is the following. How do you say ... in Mien? In Mien, you ask it like this. Hang hanokong ... yem Mien wa. So, from the foundation, when you ask somebody, May hai kong Mien wa nye phai? Can you speak Mien? You build everything up to get to this point where you can ask the question, how do you say ... in Mien? Hang hanokong ... yem Mien wa. With that one simple question, you fill in the blank, you can basically learn anything you want in the language as long as your interlocutor knows Mien and a little bit of English. Yao Tenga.